Hello everyone, Kalila Clark here, one of your equine product specialists at Pulse Equine. And in today's episode, we're going to be talking about kinesiology taping. And so kinesiology taping is a physiotherapy technique that is designed for injury rehabilitation and is used in regular exercise. And what this does is that the flexible tape provides stability and support to the areas that it's applied. The tape interacts with the skin in a way that decompresses the tissue, which enables an increase in blood flow and oxygenation, and also increases the stretch of the collagen fibers in the muscle. And there are two critical factors to this technique. The first being the degree of stretch used when applying the tape to the body, and then the application pattern to get the desired effect. And what kinesiology taping helps with is relaxing overused muscles, supports tendons, ligaments, and joints in exercise and in injury recovery, and also decreases the pressure in the skin's pain receptors. And so a lot of people wonder if they can become certified in kinesiology taping. And so you can, without having to be a veterinarian or a vet tech. However, most reputable courses, the ones that usually cost about $1,000 plus for the course, do offer certifications, but they do require that you are either a veterinarian, a licensed vet tech, a certified equine therapist, equine chiropractor, or an equine osteopath. And the reason for this is because that taping requires extensive equine anatomy knowledge as well as soft tissue function knowledge, and really to the level almost as a veterinarian. But the reason for this is that if taping is done incorrectly, it can cause more damage than good to the horse. And so with kinesiology and PMF therapy, there's really only one major difference, and that's the fact that kinesiology taping works on the body from the superficial layer of the body, so the skin. And that way it manipulates the skin and the fascia and provides support to the body. PMF, as we know, works on the cellular level of the body. And so many equine therapists actually use both therapies to support each other's effects to make their effects last longer, in between sessions. And so kinesiology taping can have the effect on realigning fascial tissue by normalizing muscle tension and relieving muscle spasms. And so this makes it actually really great to use before a lot of other modalities, including PMF therapy. But as always, you do want to consult your veterinarian before using any therapies for any reason. So guys, I hope this gives you a great glance into kinesiology taping and PMF, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye.